Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make konoha don. Konoha means fallen leaves. It's named konoha don because kamaboko fish cake in the topping looks like a fallen leaves. It doesn't look like so to me, but anyway. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this konoha don, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 8 eggs, 2 kamaboko fish cake, 1 onion, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 8 tablespoons mirin, 4 tablespoons sake, 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and some green onion and nori strips to garnish. I'm cooking the rice first, so let's rinse it. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And repeat this 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1-to-1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This will allow enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. In the meantime, let's do all the cutting. So green onion first. Cut the end off. Cut them in half. Put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Put it in the small bowl and set it aside. And onion. Let's cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half and slice thinly. Put it aside. Kamaboko fish cake. Remove the package. And it comes with wooden plate like this, so let's take it off from the plate. Then make thin slices. Like this. Do the same for the other one. I've done all the cutting, and now I can see and hear the rice is boiling. Let's turn the heat to low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. The rice has been cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and steam at least 10 minutes. Now, let's make the topping. 200 ml water into the frying pan. 2 teaspoons hondashi. 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons sake, 8 tablespoons mirin, and all the onion into the frying pan. Put the lid on and cook the onion over medium-high heat until it's nice and soft. Onion is all cooked, so let's add the fish cakes. Put the lid back on and cook it for a few minutes just to make the chicken hot. While I do that, I'm beating the eggs, so let's crack all the eggs into this bowl. Beat it, but make sure not to overbeat it. You're just breaking the egg yolk. This is good enough. Back to the frying pan. I want to add the egg white first, so let's pour the egg white into the frying pan. Put the lid back on and cook it for 1 minute. Egg white is almost cooked, so let's add the egg yolks all over the frying pan. The lid back on and cook it for half a minute. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off and assemble. Some rice in the bowl. The topping, green onion I sliced at the beginning, nori strips, and konoha don is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Chikuwa fish cake adds so much umami to the whole dish, and the rice that soaked up all the savory broth is just delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Konoha don is a combination of rice and the main dish, so let's put it here and nothing here. Vegetable miso soup or any other miso soup you like here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. For the other side dish, I think I want to have something green, so let's have broccoli with sesame sauce. Happy cooking and eating! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!